I'm Brandon. This is Cops vs. Cops. In February 2025, New Mexico State Police Officer Rachel Hall was arrested in Gallup after allegedly driving the wrong way and nearly causing a crash. Deputies say she refused commands, forcing them to break her window before taking her into custody. Inside a half-empty bottle of vodka, Hall later entered a no-contest plea to first offense DWI. Every other charge, resisting, open container, and lane violations, was dropped through that plea deal. Her sentence was deferred, meaning if she completes DWI school and alcohol treatment, the case can be cleared from her record. But behind the headlines lies a deeper question. What happens when accountability lands inside the department itself? Let's take a look at how it all unfolded that night.
2543, come to my 20. You roll down the window. Can you roll it down?
What's up? What's up?
You're going the wrong way on 2nd Street, and then you also hit a curb and popped both your tires on this side. How much alcohol have you had tonight?
Nothing.
So why are you slurring?
I'm not slurring.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Hey, yeah. Just because you said I slurred, there's no reason.
So you're refusing to get out of the vehicle? 25 Metro. 201, refusing to get out of the vehicle, slurring her words. Smell alcohol coming from inside the vehicle as well.
Oh, 2 inches.
201 just rolled up all the windows, refusing to get out. Doors are locked. I need you to step out of the vehicle. I need you to step out of the car. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
When officers face criminal charges, the badge itself is on trial in the court of public opinion. Communities expect consistency, that the law applies equally to everyone, uniform or not. When accountability feels one-sided, it weakens public confidence and fuels mistrust. True integrity isn't about enforcing the law, it's about living under it. And every decision, every consequence either strengthens or breaks the bond between police and the people they serve.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. So be advised, driver's going to be off-duty NMSP officer. Step out.
An officer is arrested, 2 investigations begin. One criminal, one internal. Criminal court determines guilt and sentencing. Internal Affairs determines if the officer violated department policies or ethics. In Hall's case, she resigned before the internal investigation could be completed, halting the department's review. Even if the criminal court shows leniency, departments can still impose suspension, termination, or decertification. That's because integrity isn't measured only by the verdict. It's reflected in how the department responds. Justice inside the badge is just as important as justice in the courtroom.
State Police Hall, she's 47. Step out of the vehicle, we're gonna break the window. This is your last warning. This is your last warning or we will break the window. But, no, Ricky. I'm watching her hands. Get out! Step out! Step out! Step out!
Sarge!
Sarge!
Roll over! Sarge!
Roll over!
Sarge!
I got her here. Here.
Sarge!
Roll over that way. Sit up. Sit up.
Here, just roll this way, okay?
Yeah.
Look, sit up. Let's go put her in my unit.
Did you have any glass on you in your mouth, anything like that?
Yep.
You did? Okay, we'll get
Yep.
the for you.
In my eye.
Ready?
In my eye.
Passenger side. Passenger side.
Here, have a seat.
Negative. I won't get in the car until my sergeant gets there.
And we're not waiting for you, Sergeant. You're under arrest. Get in the car.
Come on. Here, put it in your unit.
Put it in your unit, bye.
We can pull it through.
Yeah. Yeah, you can transport for
A deferred sentence isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card. It's a legal agreement between the defendant and the court. In New Mexico, when someone pleads guilty or no contest to a DWI, a judge can delay final judgment for up to 1 year. During that time, the individual must complete alcohol treatment, community service, and DWI school. If they comply, the case is dismissed, no conviction recorded. But failure to meet those conditions reopens the case, turning that plea into a conviction. For an officer, that outcome can decide whether they ever wear the badge again.
Dude, she came off of 2nd Street the wrong way, came towards me this way. So I was westbound 66, and I seen her vehicle come out of 2nd Street the wrong way. She came eastbound 66, the light was red, she went around the car, the light turned green, she sped up, hit the sidewalk, the curb, jumped the curb high as hell, popped both her right tires. I lit her up, she pulled in right here. She wouldn't open this window. She's all, go to the passenger side. So I went to the passenger side. She rolled it down about that much. And you could smell the alcohol. Seen it was her. So I called for you. Came to the driver's side window. She started calling Roman from the state police. She starts yelling, screaming, I'm not getting out. I ain't getting out. I ain't getting out. So get out of the car. We're going to break the window. She locked all the doors. And then we broke the window, she wouldn't get out, so we drug her out, put her in cuffs, and you could smell the alcohol in her breath bad. State police knows her sergeant's on the phone right there.
Is it Roman?
Yep. I'll call Roman.
When a police officer receives a deferred sentence for DWI, is that rehabilitation or privilege? Should officers be given the same leniency as civilians, or held to a higher standard because of the oath they swore to uphold?
Dude, when you were breaking the window, I was watching her hands, because she's an officer, I don't know what she's got. So I'm watching her hands, I see the fucking glass hit me in the face, and I'm like...
So are you trying to use it?
Listen to me, I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test. See, do you agree to take our test, yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs?
Do you agree to take our test, yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs or no?
I did not.
Okay.
Do you agree to take our test?
What? Based on what?
Do you agree to take our test, yes or no? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement in New Mexico law that you take a breath test. Do you now agree to...
I'm Brandon. You've been watching Lights and Sirens in collaboration with Cops vs. Cops. When an officer crosses the line, the question isn't just what happens next. It's how the system responds. Accountability isn't about punishment. It's about trust. Because every time a badge falls short, the weight is carried by everyone that still stands for the right reasons. If you believe in truth, transparency, and accountability behind the badge, make sure to subscribe for more real cases, real footage, and real breakdowns. This is Lights and Sirens with Brandon, where we bring the facts to light, one body cam at a time.
Use a log me 11015, aggravated DWI. I'm going to go off now that she's in the unit 15 and I read her.